Thukuru wa Good Shepherd kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga nigurekete wega makiria kaunti-ini no makigwatira minisco ya maxi 400 kuri arutwo 30 maregwateire kuma maxi 400. Murutwo wa mbere thukuru-ini uyu Esther Kibe aregwateire maxi 432 na ni anyitanire na arimu na aciari ake gukunguirwo hotani wake.
I'm really acknowledging this chance to say that I thank the teachers, the pupils who have helped me also, but mostly the institution. I thank them so much and I thank God also for being there for me.
Mugo Mutonge uria ni murugamiriri munene thukuru-ini uyu ni ugite ni makenetio ni maumirira macio akiuga nyitaniri wa arimu arutwo hamwe na aciari niguo ciarite matunda mega.
I thank God that the school has all the years done very well. This one is mainly due to the hard work of the teachers, very committed teachers, very good support from the parents, and very good Christian background which we give them.
Nakuo thukuru-ini wa Alba uria ri Kutuso kaunti-ini no Victor Kogere gwatira maxi 431 na kuri arutwo 31 maragire kuma maxi 400. Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Kiambu arutwo a mathukuru matiganite maria marekite wega ni mathire nambere na gukunguira. Nyimbo na nduhio ni ciuma muciini wa murutwo umwe wa thukuru wa Juja Preparatory niwe Katon Manjari thutha wa kuigwatira maxi 425 kuri ithe atogiritie kio kiria mwana wake onanitie.
His dream has always been to do civil engineering, and we'll support him if he happens to go to Alliance High School or any other national school as the cabinet secretary promised. We'll be there to support him, pray for him and provide him with the materials that he will require.
Nakuo thukuru-ini wa Hillcrest uria uri kaunti-ini no nduhio na ngimino ithire na mbere kuria murutwo wa mbere aregwatire maxi 427. Nakuo thukuru-ini wa Wanjo uria uri githunguri makiria ma arutwo 10 ni maregwatire maxi 400. Kurumirira maumirira ma kigeranio, Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i ni atugiretio ni undu wa mogaruruku maria arehete ministry-ini ino na maria mathite na mbere na kugia na umithio munene. Girifotera shesheni ya Kameme TV ni Geto Wanjiru wa Njuguna.